Hey there, space enthusiasts! Did you know that there are over 1 million asteroids in our solar system that could potentially collide with Earth? Yeah, that's a lot. So, how exactly are we planning to protect ourselves from these cosmic threats? Stick around, because today we're diving into an incredible concept that some scientists are exploring. Using nuclear technology to deflect asteroids. Alright, let's get into it. The idea of using nuclear technology as a defense mechanism against asteroids might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a very real discussion happening in the scientific community. Imagine a giant rock hurtling toward Earth, and the solution isn't just a giant space cannon or a superhero swooping in to save the day. No, instead, researchers are considering how nuclear devices could help us steer these space rocks away from a collision course with our planet. Sounds wild, right? In this video, we're going to break down how this works, the challenges we face, and the exciting developments that could change everything. Now, let's talk about why we even need to think about asteroid deflection in the first place. Throughout history, Earth has experienced its fair share of asteroid impacts. You might have heard about the infamous one that wiped out the dinosaurs. Yeah, that was a big deal. But it wasn't just a one-time thing. Asteroids have been crashing into our planet for billions of years, and while most of them are small and burn up in the atmosphere, some can be massive enough to cause catastrophic damage. We're talking tsunamis, wildfires, and even a potential extinction event. With advancements in technology, scientists have identified numerous near-Earth objects, and the truth is, some of them could pose a significant risk in the future. This has sparked a global effort to find effective ways to deflect any incoming threats. And that's where nuclear technology might come into play. So, how exactly do scientists plan to use nuclear devices for asteroid deflection? Well, there are a few methods on the table. One of the most talked about concepts is called the nuclear standoff method. Picture this. Instead of blowing the asteroid up, which could create a shower of smaller, still dangerous pieces, scientists would detonate a nuclear device near the surface of the asteroid. The explosion would vaporize some of the asteroid's material, creating a jet of gas that would push the rock slightly off course. It's like giving the asteroid a gentle nudge. Another approach is the idea of using nuclear thermal propulsion. This involves sending a spacecraft equipped with a nuclear reactor to the asteroid. The spacecraft would then use its propulsion system to slowly alter the asteroid's orbit over time. It's a long game, but it could be incredibly effective for larger asteroids that are on a collision course with Earth. Of course, these methods come with their own set of challenges. For example, the timing is crucial. If we spot an asteroid too late, there's not much we can do. Plus, there's the whole issue of political and ethical considerations surrounding the use of nuclear technology. But scientists are working hard to address these concerns and develop practical strategies for planetary defense. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Recently, a group of researchers proposed a groundbreaking experiment that could bring this nuclear deflection technology closer to reality. They're planning a mission called the Asteroid Redirect Mission, which aims to test the effectiveness of nuclear devices in a controlled environment. This mission would involve sending a spacecraft to a small asteroid, detonating a nuclear device, and observing the effects. The goal is to gather data on how much the asteroid's trajectory changes and see if this method is viable for real-world applications. This could be a game-changer for our approach to planetary defense. To sum it all up, the threat of asteroids colliding with Earth is a very real concern. But scientists are exploring some fascinating methods to keep us safe, from using nuclear standoff techniques to developing advanced propulsion systems. The potential for nuclear technology in asteroid deflection is something we should all keep an eye on. With ongoing research and upcoming experiments, we might just find ourselves better equipped to protect our planet from these cosmic dangers. So, what do you think about using nuclear technology to deflect asteroids? Is it a smart move? Or does it sound too risky? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about space exploration and other cool science topics, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.